note-taking rule here. Use the Inkdrop MCP server to process plans and track execution process. Code block syntax, it is inspired by MDX. So I'd like to change the module name language icon from the language icon to our icon. Yeah, so it created the plan and stored it to Inkdrop, which is nice. It created the status here. Tech node-driven agentic coding. When the AI agent started working, it changes the node status to active. Changes with lazy git. Hey, what's up? It's Taka here. Welcome back to my channel. I've been working on improving my AI workflow, and I found this GitHub repository. So this is by affaan-m. He's a winner of the Claude Anthropic hackathon, and so he shared his config files for Claude Code, and yeah, so I copy and pasted his config files into my dot files. So here's agent files and commands and rules and skills. And especially I've been trying planner agent here, planner agent, and also there is a command plan, because I like the plan mode of Claude Code. So when you press Shift Tab several times, it changes the mode to plan mode, and you can let Claude Code make a plan for like adding new features, fixing bugs, and things like that. And it's been so useful in my workflow. And this file adds a special command for planning, and it has a guide for creating a concrete plan. And yeah, so it has example usage and implementation phases. So it provides an example plan, and Claude Code will follow this guide. Yeah, which is so useful. And I thought, so when the Claude Code create a plan, it previews the plan on this CLI, but it was hard to read because it is just on the terminal. So I thought it would be nice to store the plans on Inkdrop, so you can read the plans on the beautiful Markdown renderer here. So I've been trying it, and so I make a note-taking rule here. So this is stored in the rules folder here, and it describes how to use Inkdrop for planning. So it says like use the Inkdrop MCP server to process plans and track execution progress, and store notes in the notebook with ID, which depends on your database. And in my case, this is here, and when to store, save to Inkdrop when the planner agent generates a plan, and starting multi-step tasks that span multiple files, making architectural decisions, and yeah, and the script for some edits or quick fixes. And the note should be its status should be known in the initial state. And let Claude Code change the node status to active when when it start working on it. And also it describes the note format because Inkdrop supports several additional features like diagrams with Mermaid. So I added these instructions and also code block attributes. It supports additional code block syntax. It is inspired by MDX, and so it can display the line numbers and URLs, and also titles, file names, things like that. So you can understand what is this code block about. Yeah. So I've been trying it, and here is the result. So I'd like to show you how to use it. So I'm gonna share this note on GitHub or somewhere else. Yeah. So yeah, let me show you how to use it, how code works with the Inkdrop. Yes. So here is the icon component. This is the module for supporting notebook icons. Yeah. So as you can see, this is the Inkdrop version 6 canary, and so it now supports changing notebook icon here. Yeah. So it lists the available icons here, and so it has some scripts to generate icon index, and here is some TypeScript modules. So it has a language icon like JavaScript, TypeScript, Ruby, Python, etc. And so, for example, I'd like to change this module name from language icon to like file icon. So let's plan for the code. So I'd like to change the module name language icon from the language icon to file icon. Create a plan. And the Claude Code is gonna create a plan, and yeah. So it's searches the existing node if there is a existing plan or task already, but there's not. So Claude Code reads the source code and create a plan. So now he has a complete picture of the code base. Yep. So this is the support. It includes a lot of language icons. And so I also did memory rule. Okay, so it finished. Yeah, so it created a plan and stored it to Inkdrop, which is nice. So let's review it. So it has a YAML front matter to indicate the project directory and the description. Yep, and and the requirements restatement, rename the language icon module to file. Yeah, it also includes the mermaid diagram. It is just a simple work, but he generated diagram, which is interesting. Files to modify. Yep. So looks fine. Yeah. So it properly uses the additional syntax, code block syntax, to show the file name here. yeah, if it makes easy to understand the plan. Okay, so looks nice, and also it created the status here for each phase. Yeah, so let's start working on it. So yes, why? All right. Okay, and I'm gonna I'm currently trying to let Claude Code memorize my preferences like language preference and coding styles, framework preferences, yeah, things like that. I don't know, it is not working at the moment because yeah, I don't know why, but it is. I need some changes, but it would be nice to remember my each decision in Inkdrop. Yeah, so okay, so it is working. Yeah. So it already make some changes. So it makes me think of making another workflow that is tech note driven agentic coding. Yeah, I don't know if it works, but so for example, you can directly make new task like change the module name from language icon to file icon, and describe the tasks in details, and let Claude Code read this note and make a plan, working on it, and update the note. That would be nice because you can always review the notes and the progress on each device, including mobile phones. That would be interesting. So, and I recently came across Beds. This is a tool that helps AI agents remember the context. Yeah. So this is a simple CLI tool, and I think I can make a CLI tool for Inkdrop. I can make a CLI tool similar to this one that uses Inkdrop as a backend database. Yeah, so that would be interesting. Okay, Claude Code finished the work. Yes, and it already changed the node status to completed. So let's go get over to this node, and yeah. So he checked all the phases. Let's check the revision history. Yeah. So when the AI agent started working, it changes the node status to active, and when finished the work, it updates this node, and it adds outcome. So he worked on the all phases implemented successfully, both library and demo. Yeah. So this is just a simple example. What do you think? Yeah. And you can review the changes with lazy Git. Interesting. So, what do you think? It's so interesting. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Peace.